if you want to have an adventure that is super nature, ayan, the blue and green skies plus the sea of clouds as you can see there, fresh air and sunrise. Ito, I highly recommend this place. I suggest na pumunta kayo ng weekdays kasi kapag weekends tulad nito, Saturdays and Sundays, napakaraming tao na. Pero ma-enjoy mo pa rin kasi super lawak na mayroong campsite A, mayroong campsite B, and I assure you guys that this is super sulit. May mga tour guides tayo na napakabait. They're so accommodating. Ayan. Tapos sila na rin yung pwedeng mag-take ng pictures and videos for you. Napakasaya na experience, especially kapag marami kayo. Mostly group or team. Ayan. If you want to have a retreat and staycation, pwede mag-overnight stay dito. Meron tayong tent. Kapag wala kayong matirahan, and we want to stay in the province, which is green and cold, ayan, hindi nyo na kailangan lumayo. This is 2 hours away from Manila, so abot kaya, abot lakbay. Tawag mo namin sa abot lakbay. Malamig, it's like Baguio here, and sabi nga ng mga kasama ko, parang nagre-resemble siya sa Sagada. Ayan, tingnan mo nga naman mga suot namin. So umaga na medyo malamig pa rin.